This guy says the OnePlus 15, the 8 Elite Gen 5 flagship, and OnePlus is going all out this time. So it's coming with this OnePlus 13s kinda design language, similar squarish module containing triple cameras and an LED flash, but with a larger form factor at 6.7 inch or 6.8 inch I guess. OnePlus is using a boxy design with nano ceramic metal frame. Yeah, I kinda like this minimal finish, but when you compare it to a latest Pixel, Samsung Ultra, iPhone 17 or Xiaomi 17 lineup, it doesn't stand out cause of no to less innovation in terms of the design. So a generic mid-range kinda design it is, not anything special. The rumored specifications, however, are decent. OnePlus is using a 165Hz high refresh rate, 1.5K resolution display. They should have gone with a 1440p panel with 120Hz refresh rate with anti-reflective coating on the top. That would have been the perfect combination. There are no two less side top and bottom bezel, and it's a flat panel, so no curved edges. Something I'm gonna miss for sure. The highlight of this device is Qualcomm 8 Elite Gen 5, which no doubt is powerful and power efficient. This paired with a 7000 plus mAh battery with 120 watts of wired and 50 watts wireless and OxygenOS 16 based on A16. Rest of the specs are fast storage, DDR5X RAM, ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and IP68 plus IP69 certification. There are triple cameras of 50 megapixel each, Sony Leica 700 main, Samsung GN5 ultra wide and Samsung GN5 3.5 times telephoto shooter. OnePlus is using Oppo Lumo color science, that's Detail Max engine for global markets, and the output is pretty decent. Here are some camera samples shared by OnePlus and they look amazing, that's for sure. The OnePlus 15 is coming in black, purple and white finish. Launch set for October 27. The expected pricing will be around 65,000 INR / $799 US. So again, decent set of specifications, but not anything special. It's like for those who doesn't want to spend that much and want an 8 Elite Gen 5 device with powerful specs, mediocre flagship display and no to less innovation. See, OnePlus might be holding back for a special Pro flagship, but as of now, this is OnePlus 15 coming soon in a few days. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe and peace out.